In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send fixed price offer on Upwork. If you're hiring a freelancer and want a clear budget with defined deliverables, a fixed price offer is a great option. I'll walk you through it from start to finish, so you know exactly what to click and why. First, open your browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork, then click the official Upwork website. Make sure you're signed into your client account so you can create an offer. Once you're on Upwork, browse or search to find the freelancer you want to hire. Open their profile to review their portfolio, job success, and recent feedback. When you're confident they're a good fit, click the Hire button on their profile. You'll land on the offer page. This is where you can send an offer. Take a moment to confirm the correct freelancer is selected, then scroll down until you see the contract terms section. Under contract type, choose Pay a fixed price to set a single project amount instead of hourly billing. Next, enter the project amount. This is the total you intend to pay for the agreed scope of work. Consider the full deliverables, revisions, and timeline when deciding on a fair amount. Upwork will show what the freelancer receives after platform fees, but you should focus on the total project budget you're agreeing to. Double-check the currency and make sure it aligns with your expectations. Now choose a payment schedule. You can pay for the whole project in a single payment when everything is delivered, or you can pay in installments using milestones. Paying for the whole project works best for smaller, well-defined tasks. Milestones are ideal for larger projects because they break the work into phases, each with its own due date and deliverable. If you pick milestones, clearly label each one with a concise description, amount, and expected result to avoid confusion later. Before you proceed, review any other fields on the page, such as a short message to the freelancer clarifying scope or deadlines. Then confirm that you accept the terms and privacy acknowledgments. This confirms you understand Upwork's rules, escrow protection, and how payments are released. When everything looks correct, click Continue. Upwork will guide you to a final review so you can verify the offer details and send it to the freelancer. That's it. Your fixed price offer is on its way, and once accepted, work can begin with funds safely held in escrow.